So guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Banky Crypto Night. So right now guys, the update I have for you right now today is how to claim your PixelTap PixelVerse NFT. How to claim your PixelTap NFT. I think 2 days ago or yesterday on their announcement channels, they mentioned that how to claim NFT. They will release how to claim the NFT today, and they will release the NFT so that people can claim it. So let me show you the announcement so that you can see everything. So this is the announcement. It was announced July 28th, and this is July 30. I think this is July 31st. So close beta pre-registration application. This week marked the pre-registration application for our anticipated PixelVerse MMO close beta. So you can read more about it here. So this is the NFT update now here. This is the NFT update here. And the requirement before you can get it, that is the eligibility. This is the eligibility. Mark your calendar for July 31st. Player can meet their NFT airdrop for free. So it is free. You can meet it for free. Now, eligibility. So this is the eligibility. This is the eligibility. That is, it's almost everybody that can even get it. Almost everybody. So you can see users who have increased their level from the time of PIXFI TGE until July 29th 12th will receive additional NFT. Level 1 to level 5 players will receive additional common NFTs. Level 6 and above players will receive additional uncommon NFT. A step-by-step guide on claiming your NFT will be available very soon. So those are the step-by-step. They have already shared it out already. Here that the how to claim it is on the PixelTap. So let me show you how you can claim your NFT now on the PixelTap. So coming to the PixelTap, click here on claim. So when you click there on claim, it will take you to this place. You can see here your NFT avatar common. That is, they are going to give me common one, which everybody has. The uncommon is for the people on level 6 above, I mean level 5, and based on your activity inside PixelTap, you were chosen as an early adopter and received special reward. So claim NFT. Now click on claim NFT. We will soon go to the next step. So let's see what is there, but let's click on claim NFT. So Ton wallet. To claim NFT, you must connect Ton wallet. Now click on connect Ton wallet. I will connect my Ton wallet right now. I want to use my Ton keeper, or if you like, you can use your Telegram, or just click here and you can use your wallet on the Telegram. So let me use my Ton keeper right now. So it's connecting. As you can see, Ton wallet connected. So this is my wallet address. This is my Ton wallet address. The next thing to do right now is to click on next step. So click on next step. Let's see what is going to sup. I've clicked on the next step. Let's see. Something should now. So something went wrong. So let me click on it again. It's like there are a lot of people that are claiming right now. So you have to click on the claim NFT after you do the connection. But right now, if I click on it right now, just be looking up here, you will see what is giving me. So let me show it what is showing me. Something went wrong. So guys, if you are able to claim your own, let me know in the comment section. Let others know. But this is the step to claim it. That is just the step. The moment you connect your wallet, then you have to click on claim. That is it. Then you will claim your own NFT. So in case you are able to do it, let's see it on your on comment. Just comment that you do it. Let others know, so that we will know maybe it's the issue is coming from only one side, or maybe it's generally. Maybe they are even still use this one to do another sort of things that they should not do. So just try it out on by yourself. Try it out at your side. So guys, thank you for watching. If I was able to do it, I'm going to make another video to show it to you and show you the NFT that I've got. So if you don't want to miss it, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. When you subscribe, anytime I drop another video, you will see it very fast on your phone. You will see it very fast. So guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye for now. Goodbye.